No work. I came here to estimate the 4x4 R&R of ball body transmission. 10 speed this one?
Yes.
RPO code
I don't.
MHS? Ishada, you not know. You know everything. RPO 10 speed NHS MHS. You know? You don't know. Then this one where the center line shifting lever. Okay, we're installing the valve body. And where is the position of the parking pole? Parking pole is here. Up. Be careful.
Mayan inon po.
Mayan. No, the parking pole is not in place. Oh.
Hello. Twelve volt. Differential ground 12 volt.